happy now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us.
Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Journey with Three Darlings. I missed you, I don't wanna lie. So today I'm introducing you to a day with me vlog. We are visiting the biggest province in South Africa. So I decided to take you guys with me. So I'm gonna just take you guys with me. I'm gonna obviously show you the preparation, but it's not gonna be perfect, darling. It's my first time vlogging, okay? I'd like for you to again comment down below after the video how you think and what should I improve on my first vlog, because this is my first time, and darlings, I prepared to bring like more. And obviously we're gonna start other categories on my description box, which is sit on videos and all of that. But obviously I need space. Even now I'm at res, and darling, it's so hard to be vlogging or maybe shooting. Let me just say shooting in res. My eyes are so red. The reason being I have flu. Yeah, and also I removed like this first individual lashes that are supposed to be here because I feel like they're making it worse. But yeah, so guys, I'm gonna go with you to another province because why not? So let's get into it.
One eternity later.
No filter sana. Ngikhuluma nezi specs ndozo ngaboni. No filter. Hle ukufa.
I begin to
show you around. Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with V. I'm actually at Northern Cape to another beautiful attraction of so it's Waterfall from Northern Cape. So we're here. I'm going to show you right now. It's so beautiful out here. You can hear the water already, I'm sure. So this is it. It's just nature. It's giving nature.
I begin to
ಏನು ಮಮ್ಮ
I can't go, guys. If you